What happens if an unlicensed or suspended driver causes my car accident in Connecticut? When an unlicensed or suspended driver crashes into your vehicle, the path to compensation becomes more complex but not impossible. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, crashes involving unlicensed drivers are often more severe, resulting in significantly higher rates of serious injury and fatalities. Your recovery options depend on whether the at-fault driver had active insurance, whether your own policy includes uninsured motorist coverage, and whether the vehicle owner shares liability. A driver's insurance policy does not automatically disappear because they lacked a valid license at the time of the crash. Under Connecticut law, a suspended license and an auto insurance policy are separate matters, and insurers cannot always void policies solely because the policyholder's license was suspended. If the at-fault driver maintained an active policy, you can typically file a claim against that policy for your injuries and property damage. However, some policies contain exclusions for drivers whose licenses are suspended at the time of the accident, and insurers may attempt to deny claims based on specific policy language. When the unlicensed driver carried no insurance, your primary options include filing an uninsured motorist claim under your own auto policy or pursuing a lawsuit directly against the at-fault driver. Under Connecticut General Statutes Section 38A336, every auto insurer in the state must provide uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage with minimum limits of $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident. Uninsured motorist coverage compensates injured policyholders for medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering when the at-fault driver has no applicable liability insurance. Filing an uninsured motorist claim involves notifying your own insurance company and providing documentation including police reports, medical records, and proof of lost wages. Connecticut also recognizes the negligent entrustment doctrine, allowing vehicle owners to be held liable if they knowingly allow an unlicensed, suspended, or otherwise incompetent driver to use their car. Having experienced legal representation helps protect your interests when navigating these complex insurance claims and identifying all available sources of compensation. Contact DeFronzo Petroskey, PC at 203-756-7408, located at 255 Bank Street #2B, Waterbury, Connecticut 06702, to discuss your recovery options after an accident with an unlicensed driver.